So if f of 5 plus x equals to f of 5 minus x for every real x, and fx equals to 0 has 4 distinct real roots, then the sum of these roots is, so this is a cat 2020 sum. Okay, so let 5 plus x equals to x equals to a minus 5. 5 minus x is going to be what? 5 minus a minus 5. There is going to be 10 minus a. Now f of, so if I put these values over here, say f of a is equals to what? F of 10 minus a, right? That is what we have. F of a is equals to f of 10 minus a. Now it is also given that f of x equals to 0. That means f of any value is equals to 0. That means this whole thing is 0. F of x is 0 means what? See, why this is 0, I'll tell you. F of x is given 0, right? Now this is what? X only. So f of a minus 5 is 0, right? Okay. Now since f of x equals to 0, that means what? In place of x, whatever I put, that is going to give me 0. So that means f of a is 0 and f of 10 minus a is 0. If this is the case, then that means what? A and 10 minus a are the roots. Yes or no? See, you remember the concept of roots? Say for example, there was an equation, say 3x square plus 5x plus 1 equals to 0, right? Say for example, f of 1 is equals to 0, f of minus 1 is equals to 0, for example, then what will I tell? I will tell minus 1 is a root. Say for example, if f of minus 2 is equals to 0, then what will I tell? I will tell minus 2 is a root, right? Now here it is given that f of x is 0. That means in place of x, whatever you put, that should give 0. So f of a is 0 and f of 10 minus a is 0. In that case, a becomes a root and 10 minus a becomes a root. And not only that, in place of a you put any other value, that will also give you a and 10 minus a, which are again the roots. Okay, so that means, say for example, b and 10 minus b, these are also the roots, right? Just like a and 10 minus a are the roots, then some other number b and 10 minus b are also the roots. So it is given 4 distinct real roots. So if I add them, so a plus 10 minus a plus b plus 10 minus b, so I'm going to get 20. This is how the 20 has come. Did you understand? It is given, so there are two things given. One is f of 5 plus x equals to f of 5 minus x, and f of x is 0. So 5 plus x is equals to a, that means that x equals to a minus 5. Then what is this thing? 5 minus x is what? 5 minus a minus 5, so 10 minus a. Now it is given that fx is 0, right? If fx is 0, then that means what? F of a is also 0, f of 10 minus a is also 0, then that is a and 10 minus a becomes the roots. So that means what are the roots? A, 10 minus a are the roots. Similarly, b and 10 minus b are also the roots. So if I add all of them, I will get 20. Because just like we took a over here, we can take some other number b. Okay, so since here 4 distinct roots have been asked, so that is why we took 4 distinct. That is why we took 4 roots. এই সামসগুলো বাড়িতে কপি করবে, এখন আমরা পরেরগুলোতে এগোই। Let us do this one. This is a very easy sum. এগুলো ছাড়ছো লিখে রাখো যে নিড টু কপি বলে, ঠিক আছে? তাহলে ভুলে যাবে কিন্তু। আমি তাই জন্য পুরো ভিডিওসগুলো আলাদা আলাদা করে দিয়েছি। প্রথম ভিডিওটা শুধু থিওরি আছে, সেকেন্ড ভিডিওটা মানে তোমার নন ক্যাট সাম আছে, আর এতে শুধু ক্যাট সামস আছে, ঠিক আছে? Do this sum. This is also CAT 2020 paper. The number of integers that satisfy the equality. You remember logarithm? Logarithm মনে আছে নীলাদ্রি?
হ্যাঁ কিছুটা।
লগারিদমের একটা রুল ছিল, a to the power b is equals to c. If you take log on both sides, then this b will come in the front. Right? B log a is equals to log c.
Yes sir.
So that means whenever you take log on both sides, the power comes in front. That is a rule of logarithm. There is a logarithm chapter that I have kept for last because only one sum you get from there in CAT. So we have kept for last. We'll definitely do that, but I'm doing on priority basis. X square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to x plus 1 is equals to 1. Taking log on both sides, what will happen? This will come in front. What is log 1? 0. Remember, log 1 is always 0. Remember this. Log 1 is always 0. No matter whatever is in the base, log 1 is always 0. Now, this thing, what will happen? Will go down. So log is equals to 0. Now say log nothing means to the base e. Okay, now see there is another rule of logarithm. Log a to the base b is equals to c, then a is equals to b to the power c. A is equals to b to the power c. A b টা c টা লাথি মেরে উপরে তুলে দেয়। Log a to the base b is equals to c, then a is equals to b to the power c. So this is going to be x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to what? E to the power 0, and anything to the power 0 is 1. In rule of indices, anything to the power 0 is 1. Now x square minus 5x, this 1 comes this side, it's going to become 6, right? Now x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0, you can solve it by quadratic equation. It's very simple. I mean middle term factorization. Do you remember middle term factorization? করো তো দেখি।
2 আর 3 আসছে।
Okay, I may there is one thing that I okay, so here I made a mistake. Wait. So wait, just little bit of change. Actually, I should not have moved this x plus 1 down. It is a wrong, completely a wrong concept. Okay, it's a wrong step. See, this particular value x plus 1 I moved below 0 and made it 0. No, that is wrong. Why? Because these two are the factors. Either x plus 1 it will be 0, or log x square minus 5x plus 7 will be 0. So when this is equals to 0, x equals to minus 1, and for this one we have x square minus 5x plus 7 is equals to 1. E to the power 0 is 1, and then comes x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay, so one factor is x equals to minus 1, another factor is on solving this কি পেয়েছো মিডল টার্ম করে কি পেয়েছো হ্যাঁ কি বলছো কি করে মিডল টার্ম করছো দেখো 6 into 1 is 6 find out two numbers whose product is 6 and whose addition is this middle one that is 5 কি হবে 3 আর 2 তাই তো 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5 that is 3 plus 2 outside is x 6 equals to 0 so x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 equals to 0 take x common x minus 3 minus 2 common x minus 3 equals to 0 so x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equals to 0 okay that means x equals to 2 or 3 so we have x equals to 1 over here okay and we have x equals to 2 or 3 over here now you might not need to solve the equation at all why we just need to find out how many roots are there we don't need to find out what roots are there so we have either x plus 1 equals to 0 if you have x plus 1 equals to 0 x equals to minus 1 that is one root and this one is a quadratic equation a quadratic equation is always going to have two roots so two roots over here and one root over here 3 we do not even need to solve this we do not even need to solve this okay so this is definitely going to give me two roots okay and this is going to give me one root so 3 is the answer did you understand Iladri Ritama
হ্যাঁ স্যার, বুঝেছি।
Ritama
of the six.
okay বাবা এসে গেছিস তামা হুম হুম কর কতটা এসছে সেই বুঝে কন্টিনিউ করব চলে এসছে না so we will end over here